Before Gardenary, I was taking care of full-time my 5 children and just working some various part-time jobs. And then I found Nicole on Instagram, and I've always loved to garden and have my own huge garden, and she made me realize that I could have a bigger vision for this and share this with others. I decided to join Gardenary because I love to teach others about what I love. I love to garden. I wanted others to feel that passion and share that knowledge with them. And Nicole has such a vivacious, loving, nurturing, teachable personality that you just want to learn from her, and I knew that she would help guide me in the direction that I needed to begin my business. It's more fulfilling. It's been challenging, but it's like, because it's been challenging, it's made me grow, and the amount of learning and growth that I've had in my own life and confidence in myself has just brought me so much more joy, and I'm glad that I'm able to show that to my children so they can help them grow and work hard for something, and that they know that, look, mom has put a lot of effort and time into this, and hopefully if they can learn that I do that, then they can do that too, and that they can help succeed in their life too. The person I recommend for the Gardenary program is somebody who has a strong work ethic. They want this. They want to teach, they want to learn, they want to strive to be better. She's been a friend, a very good mentor. If it wasn't for her, I would not be where I am today. I think I would never have seen the potential in myself.